Good morning, Don Pedro School, and welcome to DP Live. I hope everyone's having a great morning today. As you can see, we have our leadership kids and their pets with them. How are you guys doing? Everyone's doing good. Leadership one, your dog is so cute right now. It's almost like she's smiling for the camera. That is adorable. All right, and look at the other one, so chill. I love that you guys have your pets on here. Okay, let's get right to it and share the screen and get on with DP Live. Okay, everybody at home and in class, please stand. Put your right hand over your heart and ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so we have a few announcements that I want to go over really quick. I just wanted to remind everyone that we are still doing hybrid learning, which is face-to-face. We have two groups, Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday. Everyone's on distance learning on Wednesday. Dolphin Cove, we have some new items at the Dolphin Cove, so get online and look at those. I've had a few students email me saying that everything is sold out. Don't worry about what the website shows. Go up to the top of the Dolphin Cove website, click on the order form, and then you can order from there. But for the month of March now, we are going to be selling mystery eggs. Now, mystery Easter eggs. Now, these are worth 30 points. So if you have 30 points, these will be fun. And inside the egg, you're going to get so many different things. This one just has some great little candies in it. This other one, here we go. Ooh, has a coupon. That's the exciting part. This coupon is worth 10 extra hero points. Also, there's some candy in here too. And what you do with this is if you're lucky enough to get a mystery egg that has one of these are going to be worth 10, 30, 50, and there's actually one golden egg out there that has an extra 100 hero points if you're the lucky person to get that egg. What you'll do is you'll put your name and your teacher's name and you'll turn it into your teacher. The teacher will hand it over to me. You can put it in my box to all teachers listening, and I will get it into the hero account for you. So again, these are mystery Easter eggs. You'll find them at the Cove and they're 30 points. What do you guys think about that, leadership? I think it's pretty cool, right? I think it's great too. We're also going to be putting some new things next week on Dolphin Cove as well. So there's some new items, and then next week even more. Okay, on to how to be a dolphin. Unfortunately, Miss Gloria couldn't join us today, so we're just going to go over this really quick, and then Miss Gloria next week will talk to you more about it. But the word of the month is cooperation. And when I hear that, the first thing I think of is teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. And we all have to cooperate and work together to make sure we achieve our goals. Leadership too. I'm just wondering what you think when you hear the word cooperation. What do you think that means?
It means to work together when you can.
Yep. Work together when you can. I love that. And leadership one, how are you cooperative at school?
You could be cooperative in school because you could help your partner. Probably just cross a talk, not like social distancing, but like cross a talk, help them if they need help in class.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for that. And I love that you talked about social distancing, because even though we still need to help our partners, we also need to remember that social distance is still very important in schools right now. So thank you guys so much about that. Yes, cooperation, that is it. Now, friends, don't forget, we still are doing the joke of the day. You can submit your joke to this link or this code right here on the Mighty Dolphin Classroom. Now, we did have a winner from last week, and here is the joke. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Why did the M&M go to school? Because it wanted to be a smarty. That's a good one. I read that last week and I really, really liked that one. So congratulations to you who entered it. All right, I know we're skipping over birthdays this week, but we'll catch you next week. But right now, I want everyone to get up and let's get moving. We don't move around enough. Let's do that. Hold on. The Sid Shuffle. Here we go.
What's up, my mammals? This is Sid the Sloth from the movie Ice Age. And
I kind of forget this one.
New dance, the Continental Drift. It's time to get upon your feet. It's easy to do. Just follow me. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like granny. To the front and do the Sid. Take it back and do the Sid. Step left, then drift. Step right and then drift. Crisscross and do the man-made. Crisscross and do the man-made. Now jump, jump, shake your rump and walk it out like granny.
Oh, that's awesome. We have not done that in a really, really long time. I miss going out and doing DP Live with everybody. So I just wanted to end this and let everybody know to have a terrific day today. And what are we going to do today, Leadership Kids?
Fly high with DP Live.
Yes, right. We're going to fly high with Dolphin Pride. Okay, bye all.